with the milk filter. You can add sugar in case they want without.
Yeah, go. Sabungan. Ito ang isasabong ko mamaya. Ayan. Naglalakad. Energy! Ay! So, ito. Ayan. 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 Yes, mga vloggers. Nagkukunwari lang vlogger kaya post mga liwanag mo lang nga mayroon na ipapa-edit ko lang kay Franz yan baka mamaya iba rin yung kaka-edit ko kaka-iba rin baka mga bastos tinatanggal. Pwede yan. Oo nga, sa kanya. That's ano, tanggal-tanggal. Yan na. Ano? First time tayo nagkasama. Hi! 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 Puro hi na lang. Wala. Ito tong vlog na to. Walang. Bango. Kape.
Yeah, coffee from animal. So from this one, from the poo. Yeah. This is all the poo of the animal.
Is it healthy?
Don't worry when you're drinking this coffee. So yeah, for the coffee we just take inside of the poo. The manual process. So we do manual process. All process like that. After we wash it, we put that thing in the stirrer and then we run it like this. But this is just for demonstration. Video. But this is just for showing, just for the sample. So, and for the tea, we have mangosteen, rosella, lemongrass, turmeric, ginger, and red rice. And all of these you can try for free. For free for the taste, except for this coffee. You have to pay if you want to try the luwak coffee. So this is from the animal. If you want to try this coffee, you have to pay 60,000 rupiah for the one bigger cup like this.
I'll try.
What is
This is for all of us. So,
222 guys. Hindi ka kaya sigurain. Hindi ka kaya sigurain yan.
Healthy yan eh. That's healthy.
Yeah, this is actually not healthy, but much better than the normal coffee because this is less caffeine. But don't worry, don't imagine the food when it...
Taray.
Ang ganda natin.
Ay! Sure.
Yes, taray.
Yes, ang tataray.
Ang bango.
Ito para yung mga bata.
With the newspaper. and sugar in case they want it.
Yun, go. Coconut. Coconut.
Coconut. Tapos vanilla. Ginseng.
Gas.
Baka yun.
Lemongrass. Ito.
Mangosteen. Ito yung red rice. May jelly is. Hibiscus.
Ito medyo mas mura na pala.
Mayroong mas mahal pa rin sa Pilipinas talaga to.
Oh.
Robla.
Japanese pala!
Put close.
Ang cute!
Cute, cute! Paano ba makaawa ka? Wawa na pala eh.
Ano ba yan? Hindi ako marunong mag-picture. Paano yan?
Lapis puti.
Parang lasing si Tang Bibi.
Kasi kung niya tapos si Ate Kim. Tayo ko itong mamo.
May naalala ka na naman.
Ang bitar mo sa Baguio.
Bitter sa Baguio. Bigla nagkaroon ng gulat eh. Papating na siya.
Oo nga eh. Lapit na sa pating yan.
Grabing ko yun, ang laki.
Parang kulang na sa'yo to eh. Oo, naghali ka na yung